everyone, I'm Hiba. Welcome back to my channel, and today I have one very important question to ask you. Do you have to take an IELTS exam to qualify for a school or work? If you answered yes to that question, then you would want to watch this video because today I'm going to cover everything there is to know about IELTS. What IELTS is, what the test format is, how you're going to get scored, and most important, how I got an overall band score of 8 in IELTS academics test. Twice. So if you want to know all about it, then keep watching this video. So IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It measures the English proficiency of people planning to move or study to an English-speaking country. It has 4 main components: reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Number 1, the academic test. The academic test is for people who are planning to apply to different colleges and universities in an English-speaking country. Number 2, the general training test. The general test is for people who are planning to move abroad, but in an English-speaking country again, mainly the UK, Australia, and Canada. So the next important question, how do I register for IELTS, especially in Pakistan? Many students do not know how to go about it. So I have put the links in the description box below. There are 2 main institutions through which you can give your IELTS exam. One is British Council and number 2 is AEO. It doesn't matter which one you pick because they're going to have the same test format and same scoring system. Just prepare your best. So here comes the most anticipated part of the video. How did I prepare for my IELTS that led me to achieve an overall band score of 8? Number 1, know the test format. It is very important to know the test format. Test takers who know the test format really well are at an advantage because they know the number and types of questions they're going to get and they are mentally prepared for it, and they know exactly how much time to spend on each question. And let me tell you a secret. Time management is a key to achieve a higher band score in IELTS. So please make sure that you know the test format really well before you go and take the test. The next important thing is to understand how you're going to get scored. There are 4 modules and you're going to have an individual score for each of them. Then there's an overall score, which is the average of the individual 4 scores, if that makes sense. So it is important to know how you're going to get scored and set a target, because sometimes you might achieve a high band score, but it's still not what you need to get into a specific university. To give an example, an ABC university requires you to score no individual band less than 7, and then you get score 7 but overall band score, and you get 6.5 in maybe speaking module, then you might not be fulfilling the requirement for the admission to that specific university. Okay, so many people have this question. How early should I start preparing and for how long? The answer to this question is unique to each individual, but I recommend starting as early as a month, because I knew that I started my preparation at least a month before my test was due. And I believe it was complete in a week, but still I needed time to say confidently that yes, I'm prepared now. So learning and mental preparation go side by side. So the next thing I did was to not jump into a random test and start solving it. Instead, I reviewed common topics, which you can find easily on the internet. Just type IELTS writing common topic or IELTS listening common topics or IELTS reading common topics, and you'll find plenty of them. Then the next thing I did was to divide the modules. This is another secret to getting an 8. Don't start preparing for everything all together. Just divide the modules and start one by one. I started with the listening part because I believed it to be the easiest one. So the key is to divide and conquer. So So the last thing I did was to practice, like a lot. The more you practice, the more confident you'll be about your preparation. To practice, you can watch YouTube videos, solve online tests, and don't forget to time yourself while you do that, because time management is the key, remember? I used to solve multiple of such practice tests. And to know the specific websites and videos that I use to prepare myself, you're gonna have to win it. Yeah, that's right, win it. So there's a giveaway going on my Instagram account where I will choose 3 lucky winners that will get a special guide with all the specific links to the videos and websites that I use to prepare for my IELTS, along with some additional tips to get a higher band score. So if that's something that interests you, please head over to my Instagram account and follow the steps. I can't wait to choose the lucky winners. With this, I should bid my adieu, and thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.